Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that feels comfortable for you. Take a nice, filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. Our brains are very similar to supercomputers. They can store a ton of information in our memories and then recall that information when we need it. In this mindful minute, you will be given one word at a time. When you hear this word, see if you can bring up a memory connected to this word. For example, the word school might make you think of your teacher or a friend. Or maybe the word school makes you think of where you sit in your classroom. Maybe you think of the fun you have at recess. What does the word school bring up in your mind? Let's try a different word. What memory do you think of when you hear the word happy? What makes you happy? When is a time that you were happy? The next word is delicious. What is something that is delicious to you? Where were you the last time you enjoyed something delicious? What comes to mind when you hear the word play? What is something you like to play? Who do you like to play with? Or do you prefer to play alone? What comes to mind when you hear the word nature? Do you think of a grassy place? Or a forest? Or maybe somewhere near the water? Where is somewhere you like to be in nature? Think of this place. Who was with you when you last visited this place? The next word is awesome. What is something that you think is awesome? What is something that you've done or accomplished that is awesome? Friend. What or who comes to mind when you think of the word friend? What do you like about this person? What makes this person a good friend? With all these wonderful memories at the surface of our mind, take a moment now just to reflect on them, or just relax and enjoy the rest of your mindful minute. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.